Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make my easy chicken broccoli and rice casserole. To my pot set over medium heat, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast that I cut into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to let this cook for 15 minutes until it's nice and brown. Now you can use leftover chicken if you have rotisserie chicken or baked chicken. You just need 2 cups of cooked chicken. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Now that it's nice and brown, I'm going to season it. To season the meat, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, and half teaspoon of onion powder. Mix that really well to coat the meat with the seasoning. Next, I'm going to add half cup of milk, half cup of sour cream, one can condensed cream of chicken soup, you're going to mix that really well. Next, I'm going to add 3 cups of broccoli, and I'm using frozen broccoli that I let thaw out. 2 cups of cooked rice, and I'm going to add some cheddar cheese. In total, I'm using 8 ounces of cheese, but I'm just adding half of it to the pot right now. Mix that really well until everything is combined. You can also use fresh broccoli in this recipe. It doesn't have to be frozen broccoli. Or you can change it up and use any veggies you want. I'm going to put this in my casserole dish that I sprayed with cooking spray. I love this recipe so much because I just love rice. I would put it in everything. I always have rice on hand. I always have leftover rice. And whenever I have leftovers, sometimes I would just portion it off and freeze it. So this is a good way to use up your rice from the freezer. And if you're using it from the freezer, just let it sit out and thaw out a little bit and then put it in the casserole. Okay, now I'm just going to sprinkle the rest of the cheddar cheese on top. At this point, you can just go ahead and bake it and eat it like this. But I like to add a little something extra to it that I just think takes it to the next level. So you're going to need 1 sleeve of Ritz crackers. I'm going to put this whole thing in my Ziploc bag and use a rolling pin to crush it. I went ahead and melted 4 tablespoons of butter. So now I'm just going to add the crushed crackers to it and then mix that really well. Spread this evenly on the casserole. Bake this in a preheated 375 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 30 minutes. Look how beautiful this is, and this took no time at all to put together. This right here is just a perfect little casserole because it's just so cheesy, so creamy, and it's just so delicious. And it's just so easy to put together. Like I said, you can just use your leftover rice, leftover chicken, and you can use any veggies you want in there. That's up to you, but it's just the easiest thing to make, so I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.